viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you a very special tea. It's called three layers iced tea. For this recipe I'm using only few ingredients like ice, evaporated milk, and here is some black tea, and this is brown sugar which I have cooked to make kind of thick like liquid. So we start our recipe. First we will add the brown sugar or palm sugar which we have um, prepared for this tea. So this is the first layer, and now I'm going to add some ice. We need like a lot of ice in 1 cup. Now I'm going to add the evaporated milk. First I will use the spoon because it's full, it can pour on the surface, which I don't want. The ice has started melting, and now we will pour the black tea. I have used only 1 tea bag to make this tea, the black tea. So our 3 layers iced tea is ready. 1, 2 and 3. And now we need a straw. Our tea is ready. With each sip we need to shake and move the ice so that the brown sugar caramel can mix with the tea. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you have enjoyed it, give it a like, subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.